the government export unit shifted from a diesel generator to a lithium battery bank in Delhi NCR. It is Su-vastika's first project in the embroidery factory field, one of India's biggest exporters. We have installed a 50 KVA Lithium BESS unit at FA Home and Apparel Private Limited, plot number 16, Sector 4, IMT Manesar in Gurugram. It is a remarkable feat for Su-vastika and FA Home and Apparel Private Limited in Manesar, who have switched to a lithium battery bank and UPS from Su-vastika. They have replaced their diesel generator, and it is a significant step towards becoming a green building and reducing the company's environmental impact. The principal challenge faced by the unit was a ban on diesel generator in Delhi NCR location, and converting the diesel generator to gas generator was becoming very expensive. Another major challenge was an online UPS installed on the embroidery machine, which had just backup of 10 minutes. And Su-vastika's BESS UPS with lithium battery replaced this online UPS to run the system on a single energy storage system, which has no switching time. The FA Home factory chose the Su-vastika Energy Storage System of 50 KVA UPS with lithium battery bank as a pilot project. The 50 KVA energy storage solution has a backup of more than 3 hours with lithium battery LiPo4 chemistry. There are many benefits of using lithium batteries over diesel generators, which are the running cost of BESS is much lower than diesel generator. BESS has longer lifespan. There are no emissions, no pollution. There is no sound pollution. It is improved air quality and renewable energy integration. You can use solar with our BESS and get clean power. Long life of batteries. Less charging.